Hi, this is Sonia Watches Solutions, and welcome to day 94 of the hashtag Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where you take 10 minutes of your day and try to create something. All right, so on the last session, we made this little layout right here. And because I was feeling fall stuff. So I want to go back to my original idea, which I should have used this page for what I was wanting to make, but because I needed a white page. But I'm going to skip ahead and I'm going to go to these little white pages right here. And I'm going to go back to my little owl that I had planned on using a few sessions ago. So we're going to create like a little cute little layout, something simple. So let me just go ahead and set my timer for 10 minutes. And time is really crunching. So, all right. So we're going to have our little owl. Let's see, maybe. Let's see. I'm just going to kind of cut around or tear around this, was it a fern or whatever, this type of leaf or tree or whatever this is, greenery. And I think I'm going to use it as part of a background. I could cut it, fussy cut it, but I think I just felt like tearing it this time. I'm just going to distress it using some vintage photo archival ink, and we're just going to go around the edge, which really kind of isn't necessary, but since it's not the whole exact leaf, or it's not the whole thing. Okay, so we might use it. I might use it on this side. We'll see. See how that's going to look right there. Botanical. Might put this here like that. And then I think that I was going to use, I had like another little sticker that I had considered using in the previous video. I think it was this one right here. Let's see how that would look like that. I think I need to have it going like right here. So maybe I need to slide this over some. Have that go there. Maybe have this come, I don't know, maybe I'll have this come over this way. I like the words calm wisdom. Maybe have that there. And let's see. Maybe find a little leaf that would look kind of cute up under him or her or whatever. Yeah, kind of cute. I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing some of this since I've kind of got an idea of how I want the layout to look. And take some of that glue off of there. And then we're gonna try to get this done. Can't believe this is what, 94? We've got like 6 more episodes, y'all. Time is really flying. Really, really flying. All right, so we're just gonna put this here. One good thing about doing these sessions though, that I really do appreciate and love is you kind of learn to just do something instead of just pondering like I usually do and not really getting anything accomplished. It kind of helps you just go ahead and just do something, you know. So kind of wanted to have white back through there, which I still could. Let's see. I don't know. I need like, I do like that too, but I wanted this bird needs like a solid white backdrop, I feel like, in order for it to look right. So I'm just going to take a little piece of this because it's white on the back. And then let me just kind of tear it. And then, yeah. Usually I ink, but I didn't. I broke my own rule. Well, it's not really a rule, but something that I usually do, but it's okay. Then, let me bring this down. Yeah, let's put it right in here. There we go. That way I can see the bird a whole lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. Got a little owl on there. Glue that there. And I may have that coming around like so. Oh, I could have it go like this. I think I'll have it coming up like that. And I don't know yet. We got 5 minutes to figure it out. So, and then I was wanting to use this, but I may calm wisdom. I'm gonna go ahead and glue that down. The good thing about this is it's transparent, so I can still layer stuff on top of it. And we can still see what's underneath it and still see the words calm wisdom. I am going to go ahead and glue this on here. Hopefully it'll stay. And let's see. I think we'll put hello friend right there. And let's see. I need like maybe a piece of brown paper. I'm just going to cut that out. I think I'll just go ahead and glue that on there. Kind of like my little layout. I think I'll bring this over to the side like that. And let me go ahead and cut this little piece. This may just be a one page instead of a double page layout. Because we've got like 3 minutes left. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'll leave it as is and not mess with it too much. So, what do you guys think? Here's our little layout with the little owl. We got some scrap papers, a little sentiment, hello friend. Yeah. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And I don't know, I'm not sure what I'll do in my next session. I might just, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I never know what I'm going to do, guys. So we shall see. I might just go ahead and put this into the journal And then we may just make some stuff, maybe finish gluing in some of these other things that we haven't finished using yet. I haven't really used much of these. So, or I could just, I don't know yet. I'm not sure. I need to do something with it. So, yeah, we shall see. I'm going to go ahead and put these in here for now. So if you like this video, I already said that, didn't I? So thanks again so much for watching, guys, and happy crafting.